In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Zoho Mail account using the app. Whether you're a first-time user or simply need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. Let's get started without further ado. First, ensure you've downloaded the Zoho Mail app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app to begin the login process. You will be greeted by the app's home screen where you can choose to sign in. Keep in mind, it's crucial to have a stable internet connection to prevent any disruptions during the login process. Now on the main page of the app, you'll see a button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on this button to proceed to the next step. This action will take you to the Sign In page, specifically designed to enter your credentials securely. It's designed to be user-friendly and simple, ensuring you have a seamless experience. Once you're on the Sign In page, focus on the field labeled for the email address. Here, you need to enter the email address that is associated with your Zoho Mail account. Make sure to type it in carefully, checking for any typos, as these could cause login issues. If you find entering the email address cumbersome, especially with a complex address, consider using a password manager that can autofill your details for you. After you've entered your email address, look towards the bottom of the page where you'll find the Next button. Click on it once you're sure your email is correct. This action will guide you to the password entry page. On the password page, a similar setup will greet you. Type in your password into the designated field. It's always a good idea to double-check that your caps lock is off and that you're entering the correct password. If you're prone to forgetting passwords, a password manager can again be a great assist here too. Keep your password strong and unique to maintain security. Once your password is entered accurately, it's time to finalize the login process. Click on the Sign In button, and if everything has been input correctly, you will be directed to your Zoho Mail inbox, ready to manage your emails. In case you encounter any issues logging in, double-check your credentials for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, don't hesitate to use the Forgot Password option, which will guide you through the process of resetting it securely. For persistent issues, reaching out to Zoho's customer support can provide further assistance. And just like that, you're all set and logged into your Zoho Mail account on the app. By following these steps and utilizing the aforementioned tips, you'll ensure a smooth login experience every time. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy using Zoho Mail on the go.